Hey, look what I got now. A POWBUZZ electric bug zapper for indoor this time. Remember I had the big one for outside on the deck? Well, this one for indoor. Also on your patio. It's an electronic mosquito killer lamp. Gets rid of mosquitoes, fruit flies, gnats, moths. This will be great. We're gonna unbox it. You wanna see it? It's great for your bedroom when you sleep. It's real quiet. This attracts and eradicates bugs with 395 to 400 nanometer wavelengths from the UV light. Applied to this quick kill bug zapper and attracts insects, while 700 volt electrified grid zaps them dead and dumps them into the bottom catcher tray. Now I've been lucky so far this year because, well, not lucky that it didn't get warm yet, but it's just starting to get warm now. And we haven't had any bugs. But when we do, hopefully we're not going to have them at all. Ooh, there's a gift for you here. Follow this to get your free gift. These are little sticky papers that go on the bottom. Because when it zaps them and they drop into the tray, they get stuck to the sticky paper. You don't see them no more. You just throw that away. Let's see. This is very easy. There we go. No more mosquitoes. First, let's look. Let's see. See, have it nice in your living room there. It looks nice. It does look nice, and that UV light could be a nice little night light in the bedroom. But you could use this on your deck or your porch or your patio too. Pretty simple. All you do, plug it in. Well, it comes with a handle. And two little knobs that hold the handle together, I guess. Pretty simple. A cleaning brush, if you ever need that. See, look, that goes there, and that goes there. Put them both in. This, stretch them out on top evenly. Think should I read the instructions? That goes there, and that goes there. Perfect, see? They push in like buttons. Da-da-da. Well, this is called mosquito bait. Let's see. I think that's a mosquito bait piece. And the instructions say, poke the holes in here. 4 holes. Poke them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that in the top. Doesn't smell like anything. Put that in the top. That's going to attract them to this area, and then it's going to pull them down with the fan and zap them inside and go into the tray in the bottom. Well, let's open the bottom quick. So you open and close. Nice, and that's where you would put your sticky paper. See that? Like that. That's all. Stick it down there. Easy removal. See inside? It's like a vortex. Close it back up. Wow, we're done already. That's when you would use that brush down there in that screen if you had to, you know. Has a USB here. Plug it into any USB outlet that you have. Pretty nice. Oh, it's a USB Type C. How advanced. See, it goes in either way. I like that. Plug it into your USB power. Ready? Was that easy? Sure was. See. And then we push the button. Look at that. Can you see that? Ultraviolet? I can see it. Turn off the light. Yeah. I hear a slight fan noise. Can you hear it with this sensitive microphone? And then you can carry it somewhere if you want to. Alright? Put it in the bedroom. Bugs aren't going to bother you. You know when you have fruit flies, when you have all your vegetables out, the spring and summertime? That'll take care of them. Just leave it on all the time. We're going to find a place for it. And another thing, once you press it once and it turns on, it activates the UV and the fan, which draws them in. Press it a second time, which turns on the electric shock there, see? Okay? And this mosquito bait on top. The mosquito bait is made, according to this, of ammonium bicarbonate and lactic acid. See? That's mosquitoes' favorite odors, it says. Mosquito bait can enhance the anti-mosquito effect of the mosquito killer lamp. When bait is not used, mosquito killer lamp can still kill mosquitoes. That's great. So if you got them bad enough to bother you, the UV's going to attract them, and then the zapper's going to zap them and fall into the pan with the sticky paper. I'm sure they'll be just as dead without sticky paper in there too, right? It's pretty good. I like it. POWBUZZ. Isn't it nice? Quiet, versatile, safety. Kids and pets won't be affected by that, or grown-ups. Can't get your fingers in there by the electric grill. Stylish too, isn't it? POWBUZZ. Long-range bug protection. Garage, porch, campsite, patio. Man. Now I can't wait for the bugs, like I said last week. Remember the big one I got? That's out on the deck, and this will be in the house. So as the season goes on, and we start killing bugs with these 2 bug zappers, I'll let you know, alright? I'll update you. Right now, no bugs, I'm glad for that. But you know they're going to be here. So check it out, alright? Had to show you, because I know you're interested in it. You like the big one, maybe you like the little one too. Alright, I'll put a link down there, check it out. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon. I gotta go eat now, because I'm hungry. See ya!